Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Figo classification. According to the Figo classification, fibroids are of 8 types. Submucosal fibroids type 0, where the fibroids are present completely in the uterine cavity. Submucosal fibroid type 1, where the fibroid is less than 50% in the myometrium. Submucosal fibroid type 3, where the fibroid is more than 50% inside the myometrium.
Submucosal fibroids type 0 are in the mucosa, completely in the uterine cavity. Submucosal fibroid type 1, they are present less than 50% of myometrium. Submucosal fibroids type 2, they are present more than 50% of myometrium.
Hysteroscopic classification of submucosal fibroids is called as Wamsteker's classification. In Wamsteker's classification, type 0 and type 1 can be removed hysteroscopically. Intramural fibroids can be type 3 and type 4. Subserosal fibroids can be type 5, 6 and 7.
Intramural are type 3, type 4. Subserosal fibroids are type 5, type 6 and type 7. Then we have extrauterine fibroids. Extrauterine fibroids are type 8.
Extrauterine fibroids can be type 8.
thank you and thank you for watching.